Hello friends, today we will discuss about the shear force and bending moment diagrams for cantilever beams. In last lecture we have seen how to draw the shear force and bending moment diagrams for overhanging beam. Now we will discuss today for the cantilever beam. Now cantilever beam is the beam where one end of the beam is fixed like this. Fix means what? Built in. There is no chance of any movement. That is called as fix. One end of the beam is fixed and other is free. Okay. Means whenever there are fixed end, we know that whenever you will draw a free body diagram, there are three unknowns at fixed end. Vertical reaction, horizontal reaction and moment. Okay. And how these beams will bend? These cantilever beams will bend like this. This will bend like this. Whenever beam bent like this is called as Hawking bending moment. Okay. Now nature of the bending will be like this. That is called as hogging. This nature. Okay. Already we have seen the sign convention. In cantilever portion, beam bends in this particular fashion. Okay. So that's why it is called as a negative bending moment or hogging bending moment. If there are two supports, in between two support, bending moment diagram nature will be just like sagging. So that's why it is considered as a positive. Okay. Now in this case, we are going to consider cantilever beam. So there are different cases in cantilever beam. So here one thing is clear now. One end of the beam will be always fixed. Okay. This is propped cantilever. This is one of the example where it is called as a propped cantilever. Propped cantilever means what? In propped cantilever, this external end, free end. Now here you can see there is no support from bottom, but here there is support from bottom. Prop means what? Some support is added. Whenever there are support at free end, that is called as a prop cantilever. Now a prop cantilever is not in your syllabus because there are four unknown because of this external load. Okay, so that's why you just concentrate on this particular type of beam. Okay. Now there are few cases, standard cases. So first case is cantilever beam with point load, where this point load or concentrated load is acting at the outer end over the span. Whenever there is a load like this, so shear force क्या होगा इसका? There is only one support and load is W acting, means shear force will be also W. ये जो लोड होगा वही लोड यहाँ पे एक्ट होगा, दैट विल बी द रिएक्शन एट ए. ओके. तो आर ए अगर हम शो करते हैं यहाँ पे आर ए और वी ए इज नथिंग बट डब्ल्यू. ओके, बिकॉज only one support. If there are two supports, then this load will be shared on two support. In that case, we don't know exact value of the support reaction. But whenever there is a one support, whatever load is acting on the beam, that load will be nothing but the reactions at the support. Similarly here W is the reaction. Okay. So three unknowns are there. Removing fixed end, you just show three unknown in free body diagram: MA, HA, VA. HA, VA or as point is A, so you can show it as AX and AY. AX, AY or HA, VA or moment. So these are the three unknowns. Okay. What is the nature of bending moment diagram? Here reaction is W. Draw this horizontal line. Reaction here RA or VA will be W. Move upward by W. No load from A to B. Horizontal line. Reach to point B. This plus W. Downward minus W. 0. Shear force diagram will close. And an interesting point is BMD for cantilever portion. We know that whenever portion is a cantilever, bending moment is negative. Now we are going to take moment about E. So moment about E क्या होगा? W into L. This span is L. W into L will be magnitude. But what is the nature? Nature will be negative. Don't consider that W is rotating clockwise about A. That's why it is negative. It is not like that. Even though it is rotating clockwise, but it is a cantilever portion or suspended portion, moment will be negative like this. What is the magnitude of this moment? W into L, that is WL. So I have shown here bending moment WL. Okay, and as it is negative, it should be drawn below the this horizontal line. This is horizontal line EB, and this WL is negative, so show below at A point, because we have taken moment A, so WL will be below A. Okay, and in SFD it is horizontal line, so in BMD it must be inclined line. So in this way you will get the BMD for point load. Now it is the BMD for cantilever beam with UDL. Now instead of point load, now this load acting is UDL. Okay. So whenever UDL is acting, now this prop is not there. You remove this prop because we are just discussing about the pure cantilever cases. Don't consider this support at B point. Remove this support and then just see the problem. Now, what will be the reaction at this support? Only one fixed support you have to assume here, and total load will be W per meter is intensity acting over distance L. So it is W into L will be the total load, and that will be acting at this particular point. Okay. So at point A, while drawing SFD, so at point A draw horizontal line, move by WL upward. Okay, because WL is the reaction, and from A to B, which load we are deducting? W into L minus W into L. W into L. When you will reach point B, intensity of shear force must be 0. W in plus W into L minus W into L, you will reach this point, and then it is UDL. Whenever there is a UDL in SFD, it must be inclined line. Okay, and in BMD, it must be second degree parabola. This is second degree curve. This is first degree curve. Okay, and to draw BMD, you take moment of this W into L about A point. What will be that moment? W into L into L by 2. What will be that moment? W into L will be total load into half of UDL is L by 2. So we will get WL square by 2 as the ordinate, and it is the overhanging part or cantilever part. That's why bending moment must be negative. It should be drawn below EB. And then it is inclined line, so it must be second degree curve. Draw this, join this particular line, you will get the BMD. Okay. Now third case, cantilever beam with UVL, uniformly varying load. Okay, UVL. Okay, for UVL it is first degree curve. So in shear force it must be second degree curve, and in BMD it must be third degree curve or cubic curve. Okay, so in this way you will obtain the diagram for UVL, uniformly varying load. And what will be the reaction? Reaction at B point. B is fixed. So what will be the load of this diagram? In UVL, normally we are taking area of this triangle. Half into W into L. Half into W into L means what? WL by 2. That will be the shear force. Okay. And you take moment of that WL by 2. At this particular point, you will get the bending moment, that is WL square by 2. So these are the standard cases. You must know this maximum values of shear force in case of point load. Maximum shear force is W, maximum bending moment is WL. In case of UDL, maximum shear force WL, maximum bending moment WL square by 2. In case of UVL, maximum shear force WL by 2, maximum bending moment WL square by 2. In many competitive examination, these standard cases and its bending moment shear force diagram or its ordinates are asked. What is the maximum values? Okay. Now we'll discuss about first problem. So first problem you can see cantilever beam of span 5 meter. So this is the span of 5 meters subjected to point load of 10 kilonewton. Here at the end point there is a 10 kilonewton point load. Draw SFD and BMD. So first of all our aim is to draw to find out the support reaction. In free body diagram, you have to remove the fixed support and show three unknowns. As point is A, so AX, AY, moment. No load in X direction, AX is 0, Fx is 0, AX is 0. Fy is 0 means what? Plus AY minus 10 equal to 0. So AY equal to 10 means here is what? This value as a 10. Then take moment about A. After taking moment about A, it will be this moment will be 10 into 5 minus 50. Okay, this moment will be minus 50 because this is rotating clockwise, but cantilever part, that's why it is negative. Okay, draw SFD and BMD. Okay, so we know that AY is 10, we have calculated 10 here. So AY is 10, draw horizontal line 0 0 plus 10, no load from A to B horizontal line, plus 10, downward minus 10, 0. Okay. Then taking moment, already we have taken moment at this particular point A, 10 into 5, 50, that 50 will be minus. Here this 50 must be minus because it, for cantilever portion, bending moment is always negative. And then just join it by inclined line because in SFD horizontal line and BMD it is inclined line. Problem number 2. Here in previous case I have shown one point load acting at external end. Now in this particular problem I have shown 3 point loads are acting at certain interval. Now see what is the difference. Procedure is exactly similar to previous problem. Now at A point there are three unknowns MA, AX, AY. So this is a free body diagram. Normally it is having 1 mark to draw free body diagram. Take Fx 0. If we take Fx 0, AX will be 0. If we take Fy 0 means plus Ay minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Means Ay is equal to 8 addition of these two. Okay. Now take moment equal to 0. Third condition here I have shown that. Okay. So first after getting support reaction that is Ay is 8. Now you can draw SFD. Okay. Now at A point here you can show the horizontal line. So here also you can show that line. Okay. Horizontal line. Okay. After showing here this BMD they have drawn positive in downward side. But you can draw positive in up. We are normally drawing positive in upward side. So you can move with plus 8 upward. Okay. अगर आप ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन लेते हैं तो इसके ऊपर हम +8 कर सकते हैं. नो लोड फ्रॉम A to B horizontal line +8 -2 downward you will get 6. No load from B to C 6 minus 3 you will get 3. Then C to D no load, then plus 3 minus 3 will get 0 line. So here this diagram is drawn inverted. You can draw as per our visual procedure. Okay, it will be exactly opposite in upward direction. Same ordinate will be upward direction, positive. Now then you have to draw bending moment diagram. To draw bending moment, we know that this AY is 8. Okay, and now you have to find out bending moment at A, B, C, and D. So D is the external point, so bending moment at D is 0. 3 into 0 will be 0. Now bending moment at C 3 into 2 it will be 6, but below the line that must be negative. You can draw the negative. Now here what they have considered here, I have taken this figure directly from another source, that is from internet. So they have taken below the line positive, above the line negative. But you can draw this line as per our sign convention. Below the line we are drawing negative, above the line we are drawing positive. So bending moment 3 into 2 at C minus 6. You draw this minus 6 in downward direction here. Okay. Now bending moment at B. Bending moment at B क्या होगा? Bending moment at B this 3 into distance from B to D, it is 3 2 plus 2 4. So minus 3 into 4 minus 3 into 2. Okay, minus 3 into 4 minus 3 into 2 minus 18. You just draw this minus 18 downward. Okay, and then take moment about A point at this particular point A. Moment at A क्या होगा? About A minus 3 into 5 minus 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1, all are rotating clockwise. Okay, but it is a cantilever portion, so show it that bending moment as a negative. So minus 26 will be at A. So minus 26, 18, 6. So these are the ordinate. Now in SFD these are the horizontal lines. So you have to join all these ordinate by inclined line. In this way you will get obtain bending moment diagram for cantilever beam. Now third problem. So here I have taken UDL, only that is the change. In previous case there were 3 point loads. Now I have shown here UDL along with point load. Okay, and point A is fixed, so there will be three unknown MA, AX, AY. Okay, so with condition of equilibrium Fx 0. So Fx is 0 means AX is 0. Take Fy equal to 0. Fy equal to 0 means what? Plus AY minus this 20 into 4 minus 50 equal to 0. So you will get AY equal to 130 kN. After getting AY as a 130, so you can draw SFD. Plus 130 upward direction, no load from A to B horizontal line. So plus 130 minus 20 into 4, you will reach to this particular point. Plus 130 minus 20 into 4 means what? 80. Plus 130 minus 80 means it is 50. And from D to E, no load horizontal line, plus 50, here downward minus 50, you will get 0 point, and then joined all this particular line under UDL, it must be inclined line, and whenever there is a no load, it must be horizontal line. You will obtain SFD, and then just show shear force calculation. To the left 0, to the right 130. At E, at B point only one value, so SF at B is 130. At D there is only one value, shear force at D it is 50. At E there are two values, so to the left minus, to the left plus 50, minus to the right 50. Sorry, to the right 0. Okay, so this is first value, this is second value. You will obtain the shear force value. Now to draw bending moment diagram, here you should take moment about D point, C point, B point and A point. Okay. So bending moment at D क्या होगा? As the portion is cantilever, that's why moment, all moments are negative. So moment at D, see load beyond D. So 50 into 2, 100, and that will be clockwise, but it is a cantilever, so negative. Minus 50 into 2, minus 100. It is drawn below the line, it shows negative. Minus 100. Now take moment at B point. Where is B point? This is B point. So you have to take moment about B. So minus 50 into distance from B to E is 6. Minus 50 into 6 minus 20 into 4. UDL is spread over 4 meter. 20 into 4 into half of UDL distance 2. You will get moment at B point. Similarly, take moment at A point. Okay. So moment at A, 50 into distance from A is 8 meter. So minus 50 into 8 minus 20 into 4 into center from UDL to this point is 4. Minus 20 into 4 into 4, it is minus 720. So you will get moment at A, moment at B, moment at D. And then just by observe SFD here and join this line. It is horizontal line in SFD, it must be inclined line. It is inclined line means it must be second degree curve. It is horizontal line, it means first degree curve. It is inclined line. So in this way, you just joined all the points, you will obtain BMD for cantilever beam. Now see third problem. Henceforth, I have not provided the calculations. What is the shear force and what is bending moment? I have just shown the diagrams. Okay. So these are the ready-made diagrams available. I have directly shown that. For your practice, now you just solve this particular example. Just similar to this, you show MA here, AY, AX. Take Fy equal to 0. If we take Fy, okay, if we take Fy equal to 0, then you will be getting RA, okay, RA minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 4, you will get AY, okay. So this RA will be plus 8, okay. Reaction is nothing but total load acting on the beam. This RA is 8 means what? 2 into 2, 4 plus this 4, total 8. Move upward, no load from A to C, horizontal line. Then there is UDL plus 8 minus 2 into 4, you will reach 4. And here there is a point load 4, you come to downward direction. Similarly, take moment from 4 into C. Moment at C point क्या होगा? 4 into 2, 8 minus 2 into 2, 4. You will get moment at B point as a tone. 4 into 2, 8. Okay, it is clockwise. 2 into 2, 4. Means 4 into 2, 8 plus 2 into 2, 4. That is minus 12. Because of cantilever, it should be minus. Same take moment about A point. You will get that coordinate as a 28. Okay, in this way you will get the values for cantilever portion. Same problem. Only the difference is there is a additional bending moment. I have shown one bending moment, that is a clockwise, and another bending moment anti-clockwise. Okay. As you know that there is a no effect of moments in the shear force. Okay. So what if you take Fy equal to 0? What you will get? Fy equal to means Ay minus 3 minus 2 equal to 0. Is AY is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. AY is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Means you will get AY 5. Okay. There is no effect of moment in shear force. So AY is 5 to draw SFT plus 5 upward. No load from A to C because no change effect of moment in shear force. So A to C no load horizontal line. So plus 5 minus 3 you will obtain plus 2. C to E no load, no effect of moment in shear force diagram. So plus 2 minus 2 will get 0. But this moment should be considered in bending moment diagram. Okay. So bending moment at D, क्या होगा bending moment at D? 2 into 2. This 2 into 2 minus 4. Okay. That is clockwise, and this moment is also clockwise. That will be added. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, 7. But that will be here minus 2 into 2, 4, first moment at D point, and there is additional moment, so minus 4 minus 3, it will be minus 7. Okay. Moment at C क्या होगा? 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 4 into 2, 8 plus 3, 11. That's why this is 11. Moment at C point. 2 into 4, 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. Then moment at B क्या होगा? Moment at B 2 into 6 here, 2 into 6, 12 plus 2 into 6. We are taking moment about B. This 2 into this distance as a 6. 2 into 6, 12 plus 3 into 2, 6. 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is 2 into 6, 12 plus 3 into 2, 6. 12 plus 6, yes, 18 plus this 3 plus 3, 21. Okay. So that will be 21. And 21, 21, here it is minus 21, and now here there is a moment of anti-clockwise. So this is clockwise minus 21, and this anti-clockwise 2 means it 21 minus 21 plus 2, it will be 19. So that's why due to this moment, anti-clockwise moment, it will be 2 ordinate 19 and 21. And then similarly take moment about A, you will get the 29 ordinate. In this way you draw bending moment diagram for this particular figure. You go through, you just solve this problem on separate page, then and then you will understand. Try to solve this problem again yourself by considering our concepts. Okay. Then you will understand the difference between clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now see this problem. In this case, only UDL is acting. Only UDL is acting. Its total reaction will be 2 into 2, 4. This here there will be 4 kilonewton reaction AY. And then just draw shear force diagram, bending moment diagram. UDL के नीचे क्या होगा? UDL के नीचे inclined line, and inclined line के नीचे क्या होगा? Parabola, second degree curve. Okay. Now see this problem here, fixed end is there, UDL is there, one point load, second point load. Okay. Already we have solved similar type of problem. You just take this problem also on the separate notebook page and try to solve your own. Definitely, I am sure that you will be able to solve this particular problem. Here total reaction will be total load acting on the beam. क्या होगा reaction? 20 plus 10, 30. Okay, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 4 into 2, 8, 38. 38 will be the reaction, that is dy. You take horizontal line, plus 38 minus 4 into 2, 30, no load. So plus 30 minus 20, 10, no load, plus 10 minus 10, you will get the shear force diagram. In the similar fashion, 10 into 2, 20. But it is a cantilever, that's why negative. 10 into 2, moment at B minus 20. Moment at C क्या होगा? 10 into 3, 30 plus 20 into 1, 30 plus 20, 50. That will be minus 50. In this way, take moment about D, you will get 118 ordinate, then you will get moment about D point. Okay. So this is also, this problem I have just added for practice. Okay. It is not related to cantilever. Okay, by mistakenly I have written here cantilever, but it is a simply supported beam with two moments. With two moments. Okay, so whenever there are moments, Fy will be equal to what will happen here? Ra plus RB equal to 0 होगा. If you take moment about A, so plus 60 plus 80 minus this RB into total distance 4 plus 3, 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10. Means moment about A क्या होगा? Plus 60 plus 80 minus RB into 10. You will get RB as a minus 14 at A. Minus indicates this RA is acting downward and plus 14 here. Okay. So in this way you can draw after getting shear force. This shear after getting shear force you can draw the SFD. Now this value is positive, so I will move upward by positive. No load from A to B. There is a moment, no effect of moment in the shear force. Moment का shear force में कोई effect नहीं होता है. तो plus 14, no load directly. Here will reach plus 14. Here there is a downward reaction minus 14. You will obtain shear force diagram. Whenever only moment are acting on the beam, shear force diagram will be rectangle like this. And then take moment about this C point D point. Okay, so moment at C क्या होगा minus 14 into 2. This will be minus 14 into 3 क्या होगा minus 42. Okay, so minus 42 that is anti-clockwise and here there is a moment of clockwise. Okay, so minus 42 plus 60 करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा 18. Minus 42 plus 16 आपको मिलेगा plus 18. In the same way you just take this moment about D क्या होगा 14 into 2 anti-clockwise. This is positive. 14 into 3 42. That will be positive. Okay, and this is clockwise. Here this moment is anti-clockwise and this moment is clockwise. So 14 into 3 42. 42 minus 80 it will be minus 38. Okay, and then you just draw the join all the lines, you will get the BMD. Okay, thank you.